When it comes to serving large gatherings, catering events, or even hosting family gatherings, having a high-capacity temperature-retaining beverage dispenser is essential. This WantJoin Insulated Beverage Dispenser is a standout choice, crafted with a generous 12-liter, 3.2-gallon capacity and premium stainless steel construction. This dispenser is designed to keep beverages hot or cold for hours, thanks to its advanced insulation technology. With features like a visual thermometer, spill-proof spigot, and durable construction, it's perfect for serving coffee, tea, juice, or even cold milk effortlessly. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Key features of the WantJoin Insulated Beverage Dispenser. The WantJoin Beverage Dispenser isn't your average drink server. It's engineered with the quality and capacity to meet professional demands. Here's a breakdown of what makes this product an ideal choice for any setting where drinks need to be kept at the right temperature for hours. 1. Large capacity for high-volume serving. The WantJoin dispenser boasts a 3.2-gallon, 12-liter capacity, perfect for large events and catering needs. This size can serve up to 75 cups, making it convenient for continuous use without needing constant refills. Number 2. 3-layered insulation for effective temperature control. Equipped with 3-layered insulation, this dispenser is exceptional at retaining temperature, whether you're serving piping hot coffee or icy cold lemonade. The double insulated polypropylene interior and drum cover are designed to prevent heat or cold from escaping, ensuring every pour is at the perfect temperature. 3. Built-in visual thermometer. No need to guess the temperature. The WantJoin Beverage Dispenser includes an easy-to-read thermometer, allowing you to check the drink's temperature on an LCD screen. This feature is particularly handy in catering and event settings where beverages must be kept at an optimal temperature. 4. Durable food-grade stainless steel build. The dispenser's food-grade stainless steel not only enhances its durability, but also ensures it maintains its luster over time. Its stainless steel body is resistant to wear and tear, meaning it will keep looking professional even with frequent use. 5. User-friendly design with spill-proof spigot. With its grooved interior and spring-back spigot, the WantJoin Beverage Dispenser is designed for smooth and spill-free pouring. Whether serving hot or cold drinks, this setup makes it easy to serve large groups without the mess. How the WantJoin Beverage Dispenser stands out. With so many options on the market, it's important to find a dispenser that's both functional and easy to maintain. The WantJoin Insulated Beverage Dispenser combines practical features with intelligent design, making it a dependable choice for any event. The sleek stainless steel finish complements any setting, while the visual thermometer and temperature retention capabilities make it a professional-grade option for catering businesses, offices, and homes alike. Ideal for various occasions and venues. The WantJoin Insulated Beverage Dispenser is incredibly versatile and suitable for a range of settings. Catering and event hosting. With its large capacity and spill-free design, this dispenser is ideal for weddings, corporate events, and other large gatherings. Office spaces. Ideal for keeping coffee hot throughout the workday or providing refreshing cold drinks in communal spaces. Family gatherings and parties. With its easy portability and large volume, this dispenser is perfect for family gatherings, holiday events, and backyard barbecues. Pros and cons of the WantJoin Insulated Beverage Dispenser. Pros: high capacity, holds up to 3.2 gallons, capable of serving up to 75 cups. Efficient temperature retention. 3-layer insulation keeps beverages hot or cold for extended periods. Visual thermometer. The LCD temperature display offers instant readings. Stainless steel build. Durable, food-safe material that retains its luster. No spill spigot, designed for smooth and spill-free dispensing. Cons: large size. Its high capacity might require extra space on the countertop. Manual cleaning. Although easy to clean, it does require regular maintenance to ensure it stays in top shape. Why the WantJoin Insulated Beverage Dispenser is worth the investment. Investing in the WantJoin Insulated Beverage Dispenser means choosing a product designed for performance, durability, and efficiency. The advanced insulation technology, visual thermometer, and spill-proof spigot make it ideal for high-demand environments where convenience and quality are essential. Whether used in a commercial setting or for personal gatherings, this dispenser provides value by keeping drinks at the perfect temperature and serving them effortlessly. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.